Mastering the usage of all in English. Hello learners! Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we'll be exploring the determiner, all. It's an incredibly useful word in English and is used quite frequently in a wide variety of contexts. So, buckle up and let's dive into the world of all. The word all is a quantifier used in English language. It refers to the whole quantity or extent of a particular group or thing. It's used when you want to indicate that you're referring to the whole number of a certain noun, whether it's countable or uncountable. All can be used with both singular and plural nouns. When used with a singular noun, all indicates that every part of that single item is included. For example, in the sentence, all the cake is gone, it means that the entire cake, not just a part of it, has been consumed. On the other hand, when all is used with plural nouns, it refers to every individual or item in a group. For instance, in the sentence, all the students are studying, it means every single student in the group is studying. Now, let's look at how all can be used in different types of sentences. Positive sentences. All the books are on the shelf. Negative sentences. All the apples are not ripe yet. Questions. Are all the answers correct? Remember, even though all indicates every part or individual, in negative sentences and questions it does not necessarily imply that none of the parts or individuals are involved. It simply emphasizes the totality in question or negation. All can also be used with pronouns to indicate everyone or everything. For example, all of us are going to the concert. Here, all of us refers to every person in the group. I have given my all. Here, my all refers to everything the speaker had or was capable of. That's it for today's lesson on the usage of all. As you can see, it's a versatile word with a number of different applications in the English language. We hope this lesson has helped you understand the usage of all better. Keep practicing, and you'll master this in no time. Until next time, keep learning and expanding your English skills.